We're using the Ninja Possible cooker again. I know, but we're going to be making a whole chicken in the Possible cooker. Let's see how it turns out. So here's everything that I'm going to be using for this recipe. We have a 4-pound chicken. I cut up 1 onion, sliced it on like the moon shaped, like a crescent moon shaped. I'm going to actually put an apple in there. That's a cut up apple. I have 2 cups of chicken stock. I am going to take the juice of probably like a half a lemon. I'm just going to put it right on the apples because that's going to go right into the cooking. We're going to do that ahead of time. We have salt, we have pepper, and we have poultry seasoning. And we're going to be using the rack today. So yeah, let's just do this. So we have the chicken. So what I am going to do is going to salt and pepper. I got to wash my hands. All right. Well, since I got the poultry seasoning, might as well just use that. Put that all over the chicken. Yeah, video. That's all right. And we're going to add salt. All right. So you're going to do both sides of the chicken. This is avocado oil. There we go. And just spray it down just a bit. Now what you can do, you can take some of those onions and the apples and put them in the cavity. Just going to grab a handful of onions. Just like that. Once again, I'm going to have to do the backside. Season your backside of the bird as well. Underneath. The rack. And I'm going to take that 2 cups of chicken broth and add it right. And I'm using the Better Than Bouillon. You use warm water to dissolve it. And you're just going to take that bird. And you can, what I might end up doing, which I might do right now, I'm going to put some butter underneath the skin. So to do that, just put your finger under there. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to put it underneath there. Maybe. There we go. Oh boy. All right, so I'm going to take that rack out. We're going to add the onion. I'm going to add the rest of the apple. All right. Here we go. Take the chicken and place it right in there. I'm going to put the cover on. Go ahead and turn your Ninja Possible cooker on. We're going to take it over to bake. We're going to set it, leave it on 350. The time, I'm thinking an hour. And we're going to hit start. I will come back probably halfway through the cooking time and we'll take a look at this chicken. All right, everybody. Now, be careful removing this lid. There is a steam. So it's been cooking for almost 30 minutes. And I'm going to come clean with you guys. I did add 2 more cups of chicken stock just to make sure it wouldn't go dry. So you guys know that you're not going to get brown skin for this chicken. I'm just going to do, just for fun, I'm just going to do a quick temp. It's like 110, 111 right there. Check the chicken breast itself. 105, 84, 82. All right, so this might take longer than an hour. I'm not quite sure. But my friend Jules is here, and she goes, it smells so good in here, she said. And I am going to try to make gravy in this video. I'm going to try. All right, so we got 5 minutes left on the hour clock. Once again, be careful because of the steam. And 56 and 57. Yeah. All right, so it's like 150. So I'm going to add like 10 more minutes to the cook time. So we have about 6 minutes left on the time. Once again, please be careful because of the steam. We're removing the lid. Let's get a quick temp on this chicken. All right, it's done. It's about 185, so we're going to go ahead and shut the Ninja Foodi off. Ninja Foodi, the Ninja Possible Cooker. And I'm going to actually take this out and put it back over here so I can cool a bit. I am going to remove the chicken. So we're just winging it here, trying to make gravy. So I got like 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of flour. And I have it on low, sear saute low. We're going to melt it and we're just going to make a roux here. I was going to take the quick and easy way and just use cornstarch slurry, but I don't have any cornstarch. Got to add that to the list. Oops. Alright, let's see what happens here. Not sure this is enough liquid. I think it's going to be too thick. But we'll try it. Wow, I'm making gravy. This is exciting. Yeah, it's super thick. Whoopsies. Ooh. Let me put a little bit of pepper in here. Should I? Ah. Whoopsies. Alright, so we got gravy all over that. Oh. Yeah, I probably should have used, let me see. Well, it's salty enough. That's good. Alright, we're done. Shut that off. Whoa. It's a bit thick, but it'll be alright. Alright. Wow. Take it out, put it back here, everybody. Yeah, it's kind of thick. I make gravy. Let's turn it sideways. There we go. Oh wow, it's super moist. Oh wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna put that on the plate there. Yeah, the skin's kinda... We don't plan on eating the skin anyway. Whoa, this actually looks really good. Look. Chicken and gravy. All right. So when I was cutting the meat, it's like super, super moist, and the gravy, I think it's gonna be good. It's kind of like my first gravy. Okay, here goes nothing. Fantastic. The meat is super moist. It came out nice. Now, if you do want crispy skin, put it in an air fryer, let it brown, or broil it. Broiling probably would be my option because the air fryers may possibly dry it out by the time the skin is brown. It won't dry out the whole thing, but this is like super moist chicken. I would definitely make this again. It's that easy. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one, everybody.